Hi friends, it's Gina from iChooseJoy.org, and today I have a package from Clearwater Press. It is the One Year Adventure novel, and we are going to be doing an unboxing. This is a curriculum I'm going to be using with my kids next year. It is the One Year Adventure novel. So inside this box we have this book, which is the Teacher's Guide and Student Tests. We have a novel called The Prisoner of Zenda by Anthony Hope, which is an adventure novel to give the kids an example of how to write their own novel. Then we have the Compass, which is the textbook. This is the second edition, so I will look at that one in a minute. And I ordered 2 of those textbooks, I believe. Let's see. This is the map workbook and another map workbook. So let me look at these more closely to see what we've got here. And I also know that this includes access to the course, which is online, that has the what they will be learning each week, the videos. So there's this. Let's look at the textbook first. Let me see if I can make this a little higher. Whoa. There, that's better. Okay, so this One Year Adventure novel textbook has, here's the table of contents. Whoops, I skipped a page. There we go. So this is what they'll be learning: story building, things about something to dread, something to want, suffer, to learn, supporting cast, the villain, the synopsis. And then there's the story skeleton, the novel outline, writing, like how to write a chapter, a summary, narrative order. Then you've got on this page things like dialogue and gestures, flashbacks, humor, tragedy, cliches, irony, and cliffhangers. And then revision, because by the end of the school year, they will have written their novel and will be able to publish it if they want to. So let's just kind of glance through this book a little bit so we can see what it's like. Okay, so it looks like this is the textbook where it has things to read. It'll tell you like to read from this book, chapter 12, for example. So since my kids are doing it together, they can share this textbook. But then what I got 2 of is the map, which is their workbook. Okay, so this is what they will each need their own copy, because this is where they will put their work. So they're talking about their heroic quest, the hero, the point of view. All right, so I'm really looking forward to doing this with my kids next year. This will be a really neat class. So again, you've got your map workbooks, you've got the actual textbook, but the teaching lessons are streaming, so we'll be watching those online. You've got the novel that you need to read, and then this is the Teacher's Guide and Student Tests. So let me look inside this one. You've got, let's see, how to grade, the weekly quizzes. I do believe these are online too. The quizzes are. Tells you about the curriculum here, how to help your students improve, what the frequently made mistakes are, some things that they'll want to avoid, and then it explains how to grade them. And then these are the quizzes. All right. And then this is the score sheet, so you can keep track of their grade throughout the year. All right, there we go with the one-year adventure novel.